Hi everyone, this is Gyan Mishra again. Today I'm going to show you a quick demo on code documentation. But you may ask, how does this help and why is it important? So, code documentation helps preserve knowledge of customized and legacy system that can be used to support employee onboarding. It also helps during the migration of SAP S/4HANA. So now let me demonstrate how Amazon Q Developer generates comprehensive documentation from existing code. So now let me demonstrate. First, I will select the code in our workspace and provide Q Developer with the requirement using a custom template. This template specifies the documentation elements we need. The template can be a physical file in the markdown or text format on your laptop that you can reference in the chat window like this. Or alternatively, you can specify the entire content. Yeah, alternatively, you can specify the entire content of the template directly in the chat window. So we have selected the code and now watch Cube Developer analyze the code and generates structured documentation that adheres to our template specification. It is also going to create a markdown file so that we will not have to copy and paste the content in the Word document. So Q Developer has generated the file. This is how it appears. It lists down the important constructs like function module and data types of the program. This kind of documentation is particularly valuable for organizations that maintain heavily customized system, want to preserve knowledge about legacy code, or for those customers who are planning S/4HANA migration and require clear documentation for knowledge transfer. So Q Developer has generated the document, and you can even instruct Q Developer to generate documentation in Markdown file with the content in your local machine. The generated documentation helps team understand existing functionality. It can help functional teams evaluate standard S/4HANA features that could replace custom code. That's all from my side. Happy coding.